In this video, I'll be showing you how to watch SEC Plus on YouTube TV. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is just open up YouTube TV, and that's because we're going to have to check that we have a valid YouTube TV subscription. Now, the reason I say that is because not all YouTube TV memberships will have SEC Plus included. However, if you have the base plan, you are all good, because if we drop this down, we will be able to find SEC Network right here. And that means we will be able to watch the SEC Network Plus. So make sure that your membership supports SEC first. From there, you'll actually have to go to your TV and open up the ESPN app. And that's because the SEC Network is not actually on YouTube TV. However, we can log into the ESPN app with our YouTube TV credentials, and that will allow us to access the SEC Network. So you can simply use your YouTube TV login information to log into the ESPN app. And this is important because YouTube TV provides access to certain content within the ESPN app. So once you are logged in, we can actually browse the ESPN app interface, and we just want to find the SEC Network section. Within the SEC Network section, you then want to look for the section inside of that called the SEC Network Plus, and from there you'll now be able to enjoy SEC Network Plus content. Now, the availability of the SEC Network Plus content can vary depending on your location and broadcast rights, so if you cannot find this in the ESPN app, unfortunately this will not be possible for you. But other than that, this has been my video showing you how to watch the SEC Network Plus on YouTube TV. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.